Good morning from New York. We're live in Central Park. It's Thursday, January 27th, and as you can see, we've gotten quite a bit of snow. Over 19 inches in the past 12 hours, and several before that. As you can see, most of the park is completely covered in snowdrifts. Very few paths go through the park today. Only those cleared by other New Yorkers and the occasional snowplow. Not as pretty of a picture on the streets today. Although you can see some asphalt, there's slush, ice, and snow everywhere. The street we looked at earlier was 59th Street. 59th Street is a very important street to the city of New York and its transportation. This street, the street I live on, 56th Street, is obviously not as important as it has not been cleared of the snow. You can see a truck down there which is stuck, a very common sighting.